We've got a grip where the other guys start to slip. RAPTOR Traction Additive gives you a foot up on wet, slippery surfaces. Spend a little more on the planet's toughest multi-purpose surface coating, and you'll always know where you stand. And why? There's only one RAPTOR. Whether you're looking to improve traction on your running boards, truck bed, trailer, dock, or boat, RAPTOR Traction Additive will get the job done. RAPTOR Traction Slip Resistant Additive is added directly into RAPTOR tough and tintable protective coating bottles prior to spray. Available in convenient 200-gram resealable bags, each bag will fill one bottle, which will do the trick on most typical slip-resistant applications. Now let's get started on getting it done. First step is to prepare your surface. Start by removing any rust or loose paint by sanding or wire brush. Then wipe the entire surface with UP0872 U-POL Wipe 6. This will ensure that the surface is free of dirt, grease, and other contaminants. Now we're ready to mix. For the 1-gallon kit, pour hardener to the measuring line in the mixing cup. Pour hardener into the bottle, shake thoroughly. Add a full bag of RAPTOR Traction Control Additive to the bottle. Put the lid back on the bottle and shake for 2 minutes. Attach the sprayer to the bottle and set your compressor anywhere from 45 to 65 psi. By changing your air pressure, you can change the texture of the RAPTOR liner, giving it a different look and feel. When spraying, use an even sweeping motion. Then follow up with a light coat after 60 minutes to ensure maximum coverage. After 60 to 90 minutes, you're good to remove any masking. It will be dry to touch after an hour and fully cured after 3 days. If you're planning heavy-duty use, it's a good idea to wait 5 days to allow full hardening. Now you're off to the non-slip races the RAPTOR way. Whether you're looking to improve safety or just want better performance, RAPTOR coatings are the only way to go for the ultimate durability and protection. Just one more reason why there's only one RAPTOR.